Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we're going to display the latest products using MetaBox and Zion Builder. This is my example about the latest restaurant section. Each restaurant is a post. Name and image of the restaurant are the title and featured images of the post. Other information such as restaurant's address, voucher and logo will be saved in the different custom fields. So we need custom fields to fill in the information. Let's see which tools we need for this practice. To easily create custom fields, I installed MetaBox Core plugin. It's free and available on WordPress.org. We also need some MetaBox extensions to have advanced features. You can download them individually or just use MetaBox AIO like I'm doing. First, we need MB custom post type and custom taxonomies to create custom post types. And MetaBox Builder to have a UI in the back end to create custom fields easily. I built the page by Zion Builder, so I have it here. I also use the Zion Pro to have integration with MetaBox. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type. Then in the admin dashboard, you will see a new restaurant menu here. Now, create custom fields for your post type. Here are the fields that I created. These fields have no special settings, so let's create them. Go to MetaBox, Custom Fields, and click Add New to create a new field group. After that, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type and select Restaurant to apply these fields to this post type. Now, when creating a new post in Restaurant, you will see the custom fields here. You can enter the information to the fields. These are all the posts that I created. Now, we will create a section to display the latest products in the homepage. Let's edit the page with Zion Builder. I'm going to put it in this position on my homepage, so I add a new section here. I'm adding a heading element for it. Then, add a container element. Since there are 3 columns to display the restaurants, add a column element. Then, go to the Advanced tab and choose Repeater options in the list. Enable the repeater provider. Select the query type as Query Builder. To get all the posts from the wanted post type, move to the Post Type section and find the right one you want. In this practice, it's Restaurant. Since we're going to display the latest posts first then the oldest ones, set Order Posts by Date and then choose the descending option. In the event that you want to display the oldest posts first, choose the ascending option. To display all the posts in the chosen post type, enable the Repeater Consumer. However, there's nothing displayed here because we haven't got any information to display yet. Now, let's add some elements to display information about the restaurant such as name, image, address and so on. First, add an image element. Since the image of the restaurant is also the featured image of the post, click to the Use Dynamic Data button here and choose Featured Image in the Post section. Now, all the featured images have been obtained. To display the name of the restaurant, means the post title, choose the heading element. Then, also use the Dynamic Data button to get the post title. Now, all the names of the restaurants are displayed. For the address, we choose the text element. Since the data of restaurants' addresses are saved in custom fields created by MetaBox, use the Dynamic Data button to connect this element to the fields. In the list of options, find Meta Box field. Then, click here to choose the field that you want to display. Here, I choose the address field. You can see all the address information now. Since the vouchers and logos information are also saved in custom fields, do likewise with address. Update and see how it displays in the front end. In Zion Visual Editor, I will style each element. In the event that you want a different style, do it on your own. Here I just do it for example. However, I want to display it in columns like this. So go back to the Zion Visual Editor and change some styling. To have some advanced styling like I want, I will use some CSS. So, I'm going to add CSS classes to some elements. Now, move to the Advanced tab of the section element, choose the custom CSS part and add some code. Then, you will see the elements have got a new look. Just change the position of the voucher a little bit. That's done. Now, it displays exactly as I want. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try other methods, please watch our other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.